Aloha everybody, thanks for joining us on this drive from Kahuku to Ehukai Beach Park and Pipeline. So we're starting our drive here in Kahuku in front of the food truck area. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe because that really helps us. And at the end of the video, if you like this video, click the like button. Apologies for the darkness of this video. We're heading into the sun, which makes a lot of shadows and darkness and makes it look flat. So sorry about that. I still wanted to show you this drive anyways. Throughout this entire drive, we will be on Kamehameha Hwy. So I'm not gonna call out street names because it's only gonna be this one. If you look to your right, you will see some of the shrimp ponds that they breed and grow shrimp in. If you didn't know, this side of the island, there's a lot of farming here. And if you can see past the trees, there are some windmills there. There's a bunch of huge windmills. On the right side here is Romi's Kahuku Shrimp and Prawns. And coming up here, that blue little building is Fumi's Shrimp Farm Cook. Coming up here is Kahuku, another Kahuku shrimp truck, and there's some stores and stuff here with souvenirs and shaved ice and acai bowls and smoothies. On the right side here, this is the Turtle Bay Golf Course. You can see that. And right up here is the turn-in to go to the Turtle Bay Golf Course or the resort, the Turtle Bay Resort. If you look to your left, you will see Kahuku Land Farms stand there. You can buy some fresh produce, vegetables, and fruit. You will see other stands like this up and down the highway. Yeah, you just have to keep your eyes open for them as you're driving. If you look to your right, you will see Cabella Beach parking lot, and the beach is down below. I see a lot of people fishing out here. Okay, I don't really know where Kahuku ends and Pupukea starts, but I'm pretty sure we're in Pupukea right now. On the left side, you will see the famous Ted's Bakery. They have really good pies there, and they also have plate lunches and other kind of foods. Coming up here on the right side is Sunset Beach. You can see the parked cars there. This is where you'd want to park, wherever you can find parking on the side here. On the left side here is the restrooms. You can also park in there and walk over. A lot of times the parking on the right side is filled up. So, and the beach is right down below. You'll see it as we kind of pass it, kind of. There you can see the beach down there on the right side. It's pretty mellow and calm, the water right now, this time of the year, which is summertime, towards the end of the summer anyways. Winter time, this ocean on this side gets bigger and more rough. If you look to your left, look for that yellow-orange shack. That is the Sunrise Shack. The parking there is on the left, and you can just walk over. We love the vegan vibes wrapped there. It's awesome. Okay, we're coming to the end of our drive, as this is the Ehukai Beach parking lot. Usually this parking lot is full when the surf is good or when there's a lot of people at the beach. So you might have to park outside. Be careful when you park outside. Do not park in areas that are tollway zones, and you really have to look at the signs. If you wanted to go to Pipeline, just walk to the beach and go to your left. Thanks for watching, everybody. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. If you want to support us in a little bit more, you can check out our Patreon page, and the link will be down below. Have a great day, everybody. Aloha.